Are you heating your home with an outdated forced air gas furnace or boiler system? Have you always wanted a central air conditioning system but thought it was too expensive? Vigilante Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning says it's time to make a change to a ductless mini-split system. A ductless mini-split system provides clean, efficient, and quiet heating and cooling. Plus, they reduce your carbon footprint. A ductless mini-split system works by connecting an outside compressor to inside air handling units throughout your home. You can customize your comfort with room-by-room temperature controls. Here's the best news. For a limited time, the state of New York and Con Ed are offering incredible rebates on the installation of a new mini-split system for your home. These rebates are so good, they may actually pay for the entire system. The entire system. To get started, you need to call Vigilante. We're here to help you get qualified and approved for maximum rebates on your new energy-efficient, reliable heating and cooling system. Hurry, these rebates are going fast. Secure yours now. Call Vigilante at 718-522-6111.